Bose frames are more than sunglasses. Miniaturized Bose electronics produce rich, immersive sound for you, while others hear practically nothing. In this video, we'll help you swap out and insert different colored lenses from the Bose Lens Collection. Before we begin, place a towel or microfiber cloth on a sturdy surface. To remove a lens, start by facing the frames away from you and rotating them sideways. Then, place your thumbs in the top center of the lens. Press firmly until the entire lens pops out of the frames. Repeat these steps for the second lens. To keep your lenses clean, use the microfiber cloth bag included with your frames and wipe gently. With the old lenses removed, it's time to insert our new lenses. The lenses are packaged to correspond with which side they should be inserted into. When inserting a lens, we recommend applying pressure in this order. Start with the top corner closest to the bridge, then the other top corner, followed by the corner below that, and then lastly the bottom corner closest to the bridge. Let's give it a try. Pick up the frames so that they're facing you and hold them sideways. Line up the lens to the correct side and then apply pressure to the top corner closest to the bridge, followed by the other top corner, then the corner below that, and finally the bottom corner closest to the bridge. Go around and press lightly on all four corners to confirm the lens is secure. Now repeat these steps for the second lens. The old lenses can be placed inside the packaging for safekeeping. Your new lenses will likely have some fingerprints on them, so be sure to wipe them off with your microfiber cloth bag. For additional support, visit our website